Hi guys, today we are going to open this tripod together. I just got it. I want to give you a backstory why I decided to start, invest on my channel, and hopefully my investment return will come eventually. But I have been posted on YouTube. It's going to be a year, March 6th, and consistently. So I have this account for over 4 years since 2020, but I was never interested on posting on YouTube and, like learning. I have no idea how things work. But last year, March 6th, that's when I think I had 6 subscribers, and I started to post little short here and there, and then consistently posting long form. I am not there yet. I'm still learning. But my first tripod, I bought it over last summer, and I never bought anything for this channel, and but I did bought this tripod. It was like $15. I'm gonna show you. This is the one that I've been using for the past since the summer, for the past couple months. It is a great tripod. It works really well, and you can turn it. But unfortunately, my son I'm going to blame it on my son. He was playing with it, and then it breaks, so it can no longer hold the phone. So I had to buy a new one. This one broke at the beginning of the week. That's probably one of the reasons why I don't have a lot of videos. I try to put the phone at an angle, like try to have like on a bookshelf, like to try to record. It didn't really work. But since I'm like doing a lot of hair videos, I need a tripod in the bathroom. So I decided to get this one. We are going to open it together. The only other thing that I invested in my channel, it was this microphone. It wasn't really an investment because I had somebody give me a gift card to buy this, and then that was a gift. So, like it was one of my friends slash viewers that sent me the gift card. He's like, get yourself a microphone. I guess like my sound was not really well, but anyway, I am so grateful. So thank you. I got this microphone. Now we are going to open this tripod together. It looked like it come with lighting. So, and then this tripod was, I think it was $49.99. And it's supposed to be face tracking as well. I will be putting it on my in the descriptions in my Amazon storefront, so if you want to get it. So we're going to open it together. This is what's come. And then we have these ones are the light. Also come with cord to charge it. This is the second light. This is the instructions, I guess. This is what it looks like. And look like you can turn it back and forth, open. And then this is the tracking system, I guess. So trying to open the leg. Oh, here you go. So it look like it's pretty tall. It's taller I mean, almost taller than me. And then you get this. I don't have, let me see. So it is, it look like this is for it to hold on to the phone. Okay. And yeah, so let me see how that works. It looks like you have to get like this, so it's snap on the phone. I don't have another phone here to show you because I am using my phone to record this. Like you can, you know, do it 360. So unfortunately, I don't have a phone here that I can show you how that works. But it looks like the light goes here. You can turn it to whatever, you know, when you're doing like shorts, you're doing vertical, like, you know, like YouTube. And then these ones, the light, you just plug it in here. Okay, there we go. This is the light. Look how you can change the colors to whatever you choose. So look, this, see the difference? So and then it come with the thing you can, for you to charge it, and it's supposed to be face tracker. This is the face tracking one, that the camera to track you. And I'm gonna turn it on, and it's supposed to track your face. You turn on the camera and stuff. So this one, if you want to, if you have another thing that you want to put in the top, you can. So to me, I'm going to keep you guys posted on how it works for me, but so far I like it. I'm gonna put both light on, and then you have, probably gonna read the instructions later just to see how everything works. But I think this is going to work for me. I will keep you posted on how it is working. But I've seen a lot of people using it, a lot of people on YouTube are using it. So if you are interested in getting one of yours, you can check it out on my Amazon storefront. There's no charge to you. But yeah, that's all I got. This is it's interesting because I did say that I'm not going to spend money on the YouTube channel until I start making money, but I feel like I need this, and I'm so close to start making money on YouTube. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I am looking forward to use it. I want to thank you all for watching, and let me know in the comment below if you are a small YouTuber, what gadgets that you're using, because right now I only have this, and I finally get light. All my videos, all the light on them are natural light or light from my bathroom. So it's so nice to have something different. Gonna see how it works. Maybe I like it, maybe I don't. But I just wanted to share this with you. I wish you all a happy weekend. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, this is me. I put the face tracker on the actual tripod, and I'm showing you how it's tracking my face. It works really well so far. I'm going to keep you posted. Please ignore my messy house, but so far so good. I like it. I think I'm going to enjoy it.